Hi, I'm Reese from Lighting, and I'm excited to introduce the new Tephra, our modern die-cast aluminium street light designed to deliver reliable, high-performance illumination where it matters most. Built with car parks and large open areas in mind, Tephra combines a robust, contemporary housing with installer-friendly features that make aiming, leveling, and connecting quick and straightforward. One of the benefits is its 30-degree adjustable head tilt, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune your lighting on site. And for even faster installation, Tephra includes an integrated spirit level, making leveling easy and accurate without extra tools or guesswork. Tephra is also designed for versatile mounting, with compatibility for post-top or side entry installations using a 76mm utility spigot, ideal for common street lighting and area lighting applications. Available in 30 watts, 50 watts and 100 watts, in cool white 4000 Kelvin, and comes pre-wired with 600mm of rubber insulated cable, and comes complete with an AFIX connector, delivering a quick, easy IP-rated connection. And for total peace of mind, Tephra is backed by Ansell Lighting's 5-year warranty.